started with 7% except one, because that very person was a continuing Carbobase. That very person was free from coronavirus infection.
Sir, please see it. Is it?
No, sir.
No.
It was the latest.
Another slide.
Another slide. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Oh, that,
okay.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Corona, the latest news. Okay. Okay. I am telling. Okay. No need. If it is not available easily. Okay. I am telling slowly and slowly. So that very out of 7 was infected. Among them, 4 was with very simple symptom, fever, cough, little bit sore throat. They became cured very short time with a single medicine, that Carbobase. But 3 was in very serious condition, and they require after Carbobase, Carbapenems, Sorinam, and Hydrofeminam. But within 15 days, the total family was fully cured without having any residual effect. And also in different situations, in one police station, 6 police officers was infected with corona. And one of my students, this case also, one of my students, Taji Azam, dealt with that, treated, according to my opinion, my instruction. And another 6 police officers became infected with coronavirus. And one of my students, Sunil Ghosh, has given Carbobase. After 3 days, they are tested negative, and they think, but other doctors thought that the report is wrong. After 7 days, again they are tested negative. So I am in a position to demand that real homeopathy can prevent and can cure any serious condition of coronavirus patient. If government give me permission, or my students or my followers, they can do it very easily, and they can test it with this real homeopathy. And this real homeopathy has the proper justification, proper argument, how this real homeopathy can all these things, can treat very easily, very peacefully. I think nobody has to die with corona if it is treated following the principles of real homeopathy. If you ask me how it is possible, I can explain. The idea is correct, and it is verified, re-verified, re-verified time and again. Everybody can test it, and more than 50,000 people in India, in Bangladesh, in Washington, in New York, in New Jersey, in Japan, in Nepal, so many persons is tested with this very idea. No any unsuccessful case. Everybody can try. No need to be a homeopath. You may be a layman. You may be a non-technical person. You may be a physician of other therapeutic system. You may be allopath. You may be Ayurveda. You can taste it also. So easy it handle. But proper guideline is needed. As because this medicine in someone create adverse situation, and after this we can easily we can protect it, we can neutralize it. So with proper guidelines, following real homeopathy, you of any kind of therapeutic system can test it with confidence. Then you will see no case of failure, no case of failure. But how I can demand this with confidence? Yes, it is with me. If you ask, I can tell you. And you test it. You test it, you prove it that my idea is wrong. I am ready to face all the adverse situations. So my request, please stop this, the death, all this miserable death and the miserable condition of this human race. I am very much, I feel paining that so many people are suffering so much. Lockdown and lockdown and lockdown. If we use this medicine, I can sure, if you shake hands with corona patient, no infection will reach to you. Like that very cobbler who beautifully covered the king's feet and no dust touched the legs of the king. And it is very real and scientific. If you cover your feet, no need to remove the dust from the earth. So, if you boost the immunity of an individual, then no need to be feared, no need to be afraid of this coronavirus, no need to lock down, no need to even billions of dollars is spent for invention of vaccines. But vaccine is with me. Please use it and criticize me that my idea is wrong. This very miserable state we can overcome with the guidelines of following the go-back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. That very Gautam Sarkar, I am very much grateful to him that he has given me the chance for telling all these things which can be done very easily. And the human race will be free from all this miserable condition. Can you see, can you imagine the rotten meat of a dead dog is taking? In some videos I have seen that the persons throw it out, the banana in front of the temple. All those are rotten. But persons are taking all these things for their appetite. It is so paining me. So please, everybody, my earnest request, please do this and save the human race from this miserable condition. Please, please save the miserable humanity. Sir,
is it
up to this? And now you can invite questions regarding my speech. I am ready to give answers for any question. One thing, sir, and that is the first, I have sent you the right at night that the superiority of Carbapenem. Will you please show the superiority of Carbapenem with comparison to arsenicum album, camphor? It will be very suitable example for that. Please. That slide, please. The superiority of Carbapenem.
Okay.
Comparison with arsenicum album, camphor, Bristol album. Not this one, sir.
Okay, wait, just wait.
Wait, sir. Wait.
স্যার একটা কথা জিজ্ঞেস করবো?
এখনই নয়, একটুখানি স্যার
আচ্ছা, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
এই স্লাইডটা আসতে দিন, তারপরেই আমি শুরু করব আপনাদের কোশ্চেনের উত্তর দিতে।
আচ্ছা,
And I am ready to give any answers for any questions.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
My idea.
Yes, sir. My idea. No, sir.
No,
It
okay.
was the
Okay.
question was the supremacy of Carbovale.
Okay.
Supremacy of Carbovale.
But disease and result.
The first papers I have sent to you. So, sorry, superiority, sir, superiority.
Yes.
This one. Superiority of Carbovale and comparison with arsenic album, Britam album, camphor. The superiority, sir.
Okay.
It is very effective and reasonable.
The practical utility and
No, sir. Superiority, sir. Superiority. This thing I have sent. You have remarked. It is beautiful. What you have remarked on that day.
Okay.
Okay.
Superiority of Carbovale and completion of ourselves and
Comparison with arsenic album, camphor, and Britam album. I have done it with lot of efforts.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Thanks
Yes.
a lot.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, sir. You see, why many persons, the technical persons are asking me frequently why I am mentioning carbo-vegetables. And that is why one of my teachers, the retired director of National Institute of Homeopathy, Dr. Abhijit Chatterjee, first asked me the question, why are you mentioning this Carbovale? Why you are not mentioning arsenic album, camphor and Britam album? They are so nearer in relation. But I have seen, when I have tried so many books I have consulted, from there you please see Carbovale from Alinsky notes, persons who have never fully recovered from exhausting effects of some previous illness, bad effects of long injury. Again, for the bad effects of exhausting disease, again, cachectic person whose vitality has become weakened or exhausted. One thing I must mention, that we, the human being, the human race, even Kant has mentioned in his philosophy, the human race is diseased with chronic one. No one is free from that very chronic disease. So as we are, sir, wait, sir, wait, little wait. As we are diseased from beginning, better to say we are diseased from mother's womb, but not so-called disease. We are behaving like a healthy person. Like this, we have no disease. But no individual is without disease. Everybody is diseased. Someone was with predominant state. Someone is with of recessive state. But disease must be there. And as we are not coming from sky, as we are not falling from sky, we have come from our parents, and our parents also come from their parents. They also come from their parents. Like this. So I often tell, my age is 62. No, my age is 62 crores, as because I am carrying the genes of so many ancestors. And that very gene also bearing so many true diseases. When it is recessive, we claim I am healthy, but it is not. So we are injured from our ancestors before coming here. We never the perfectly healthy until and unless treated with homeopathy. See, from Pocket Manual of Homeopathic Mathematica by William Burrick, persons who have never fully recovered from the effect of some previous illness. If you think about this, what we have gained the true diseases from our ancestors, we never treated regarding all these things. When we go to the physician of any therapeutic system, including classical homeopath also, we tell them, sir, give me the medicine for having some fever, cold, cough or pain or anything, gas, acidity, like all these things. The physician will ask regarding all these things, causation, location, causation, sensation, modality, concomitance, desire, aversion. After this, he will prescribe one medicine. Other pathy, they also observe all these things, ask all these questions regarding the problem of the patient and will give the prescription. But they never think why this person come with this little simple cold cough. Why? Why and why? And that is why the prescription is superficial. Like Kane, a converted homeopath from America, James Tyler Kane, nicely mentioned, given the valuable instruction, prescribing for the results of the disease, causes changes in the results of disease, but not in the sickness, except to hurry its progress. We can all see today the person is very much healthy, strong and stout. Once problem the person has to face, someone is insulted in one occasion. After this, that very individual was having severe headache after this insultation, and physician was called and medicine was prescribed. But no problem previously, only this insulting remark caused within him severe headache. I have told that very person was very much healthy, strong and stout. He always claimed, I never take any medicine, as because I am perfectly healthy. So no doctor is needed. And laughing with the diseased one, you are a person taking medicine today and tomorrow. What are you doing? To be with like this? See, look at me, what I am. That very strong and stout person got severe headache after insulting remark. So please think. And after that, so many problems he had with him, as because in his family history, his father had snake bite, his grandmother had CA uterus, or carcinoma of the uterus. His mother has difficulty in breathing. His son is affected with severe pneumonia at the age of 9 days. So it is very clear, I think so. Everybody is clear with me that nobody is perfectly healthy. Those who are claiming healthy, the health is relatively healthy. nobody is absolutely healthy. It is impossible until and unless treated with real homeopathy. So it is not for, it is for anybody. That person may be a physician of other therapeutic system. It is valid for everybody, each and everybody. Nobody of us is perfectly healthy. As we are not perfectly healthy, when immunodeficiency occurs, it is mentioned in the Practice of Medicine, Davidson, Practice of Medicine, Harrison. If you see, there it is written, if the immunodeficiency occurs, any person can easily infected with any infectious diseases or non-infectious diseases, even also with cancer. So in that case also, everybody, the immunity of everybody should be boosted with proper treatment, that is go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. Again, number 3, sir, next page. Next page, please, sir. You see, from Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica by Clark. Very nicely, he has told it is suited to conditions where there is a lack of reaction to low states of the vital power, where the venous system is engorged, debility of greater intensity than carbonemylase, to children after exhausting diseases, to old people. Again, same thing. It is a question of immunity. Number 4, from the keynotes and red line symptoms of the Materia Medica by Dr. Adolf von Lippi, he has nicely mentioned, especially adapted to adenemic diseases with great prostration. There only arsenic is mentioned. Number 5, from lectures on homeopathic Materia Medica by J.T. Chen. But it is a great monument to Hahnemann. The carbobase, which drug, the only with this drug, Hahnemann comments the very valuable word. What is it? The great monument mentioned in Ken's Materia Medica. If an ulcer is once established, it will not heal. If you consider this very ulcer, you can consider the unhealthy state, the chronic disease state, the relative healthy state.